Hi kiddos, Hetzel here, wanting to go over Poplet and how to use Poplet to create your mind map of your roots, prefixes, and suffixes. So the first thing you're going to do is go to poplet.com. This is the page that you will see when you get there. You're going to go to log in, and because I already have an account, I'm just going to log in. You're going to go to sign up and fill in the information. This is an approved site for Jeffco, so you don't have to worry about anything. So please, hey, doggies. Shh. Sorry, my dogs are going crazy in the background. I'm going to go ahead and log in. And this is what you're going to see. So I'm going to go ahead and make a new Poplet. And I'm going to name this Roots, Prefixes, and Suffixes. And I'm going to pick a color. I think I'm in a green mood today. And I'm going to hit Make It So. And you can see that the writing up here is green like I've chosen. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to double click. And by double clicking, I've created my first little bubble. So in this bubble, I'm going to type out roots. In this bubble, I'm going to click out again and double click. And I'm going to type in prefixes. Then I'm going to double click on the outside again and I'm going to type in suffixes. All right, from here, I'm going to spread them out a little bit, and I'm going to choose the outside color here, and I'm going to make all the roots green. I'm going to choose the prefixes to be the red, and how about suffixes can be pink? Okay, so from here on in our class, let me get back over here to our list. Here we go. So here you have your list of 25 words that you've chosen from the left side of this diagram or this chart. So I'm going to say arrow, and I'm going to go pop back over to Poplet. I'm going to click on my roots, and we're going to double check, see that arrow is a root. So on my Poplet, I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to have arrow. Now we can see that arrow means air, so we're going to put that in parentheses. And then from here, we're going to choose another Poplet off of this, and we're going to say aerodynamics, because that's an example. From here, I'm going to pull off another one. And let's see what other examples are listed here. We got aerodynamics, we got aerobics, so let's go in and we can add that in as our example. Wrong page. So we're going to put in aerobics. Okay. Whoop, we don't need to make it quite that big. I was just trying to move it out a little bit. So you can see all I'm doing is adding little nodes to each one of my examples. Now, you can't, wrong tab again, sorry guys. You can choose to use the examples provided, but if you can come up with your own, I would much prefer that, of course. And most of the time, you're not going to get 3 examples from this. So I'd like you to come up with at least 2 of the examples on your own. You may use 1 example from the list given, but you do need to come up with other words on your own. So if you don't know what kind of words go with arrow, do a quick Google search. Type up arrow, and we can get, oh look, we got aeropostal, we got words. And look, we get a whole list here. So that's one way you can find your examples. But on your Poplet, you need to have 3 examples for each one of your roots, prefixes, and suffixes.